Beautiful morning here, and today you're checking out our Cassia leptophylla gold medallion tree. I'd say it's about 8 years old, and you can see it spreads more than it gets tall. I am on a ladder here because I'm above some shirishoma bamboo, but it's a beautiful tree. It's on the sunny, windy side of our property in Southern California, and you can see it's in full bloom at the end of June, and it's stunning. So let me go get closer. I'll get a better view of those football-sized flowers. Well, I guess it forms more of a basketball-shaped cluster of flowers. We'll have 30 to 50 of them, and you can see why I like this tree so much. They're stunning, stunning flowers. Now, it's native to southeastern Brazil, and it's similar to the rainbow shower and golden shower tree. But what's different about this one is it thrives in dry, hot heat. You can see all the flowers up there. I'm really high up on a ladder. Whoa. So bear with me here. Now here's the young foliage. And I only have a few drippers on this plant. And it's a very, very tropical look. Now we'll develop really long seed pods and seeds that are easy to propagate. So let's go under this canopy and go check it out. Such a stunning canopy, such a beautiful shade tree. That's why it's so common in Southern California, or I guess it's getting more common. I see it in a lot of parking lots and lining a lot of streets. Has a beautiful trunk, and it also does well in well-draining soil. So it doesn't like too much water. I have a few drippers on there, as you can see. And as it matures, you'll get these big seed pods. Now what you want to do is you can break them open, and there's long, flat, several of them. Long, flat, dark seeds, and they're easy to sprout. So you're gonna have to give that a try. So here you go again, there's a full seed pod. We'll produce these after the large clusters of flowers. Super cool. All right, so again, don't give it too much water, and it's hardy to about 25 degrees. So if you need some lovely shade in your yard, please consider getting yourself a gold medallion tree. Cassia leptophylla. All right, give us a like and a subscribe, and have yourself a wonderful day.